The opposition had tried to move a no confidence motion earlier in the budget session also, but at that point Sumitra Mahajan, the Speaker of the House, did not allow the motion, and so there was a huge disruption and the House did not continue. But this time the government was more than keen because of many reasons actually. One, they don't want to appear as if they are running away, and that actually that they are on a weak footing, so they don't want to give that impression. And secondly, numbers are with them, and thirdly, the government wants to use this motion when Prime Minister is going to answer to the motion. He wants to use it to reply to what the opposition is saying and also to expose the chinks in the opposition's armor, because everybody is talking about the opposition unity, and the government is convinced that they do not have the strength to move the motion through. And that is why they have taken it on, and Modi wants to use it to stress the points that they want to stress before the election in 2019. And the opposition also, they know they are not going to win, but yet they have moved the thing because they want to use the discussion, the debate in the parliament, which starts tomorrow, Friday at 11 in the morning. They want to use that to bring drive the points home which they are raising against the government again and again. They want to raise the issue of jobs, unemployment, that the government has failed to create jobs. They want to raise the issue of intolerance, increasing intolerance. They want to raise the issue of mob lynching. They want to raise the issue of fake news. Everything, basically they want to bring everything in the narrative in the House. This is a run-up for both the sides to drive home their agenda for 2019. And the numbers are with the government quite clearly. Like the House strength just now is 534. So the government needs just half, that is about 268. And alone they have 273. And if you include the allies, they have 314. So they will sail through easily. And even the others who are not allied to them, they have kind of many of them have promised them to either abstain or support them.